Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to delete your Canstar account. If you want to get rid of your Canstar account and all of its databases, then you will need to first log into your account, so let's get to it. First of all, open a web browser, or you can also open up your Canstar application if available, and then once you are logged into your main homepage, mouse over to your profile image at the top right hand corner, or you can also see a little initial in it. And once you mouse over to that, a new pop-up will appear on the screen where you will need to click on the Edit to Profile button. Soon after you do that, you will open up the account settings interface where you will need to scroll all the way down and get to this delete account option. If you want to delete your account permanently and remove all of your contents from the account's databases, you can continue by clicking on delete button. Click on yes, delete my account in the pop-up menu and click on yes, I understand, and select one of the options while you are trying to get rid of the account. You can select any one of the options and click on delete my account. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will be able to see this pop-up where it shows thank you for your feedback. We hope to see you again soon. This means that you have now deleted your account for Canstar. So that is how you can easily delete your account and all of its databases from Canstar. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.